Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for an awesome portable speaker, then you need to check this one out from Jteman. This speaker is super handy to have around the house and it works awesome. So it very easily connects and you can see that it's a nice compact size. I really love it because it's very sturdy feeling, so once you place your phone on it, you don't have to worry that it's going to topple over at all. It also works great with your phone or iPad and connects super easy. The speaker has good quality sound and you can use it to either talk on the phone or to watch videos or listen to music. So it's really handy to have in the kitchen if you're following a recipe or if you're sitting outside and enjoying some time by yourself. The speaker comes through loud and clear and it really holds its battery power as well. So you can use this and connect your phone quickly. It's also really good if you wanted to take it with you for traveling because it completely folds up into a nice square shape, easy for transporting. This speaker is so handy to have around the house. I love that I can take it outside with me and listen to music anytime or use it to talk on the phone. If you're looking for something that will really work well with you and fit into a busy lifestyle while you get to listen to some sound, check this out. But that's just my point of view.